In this quick video, I want to show you how to make a hospitality fold, also called a toilet paper point that you see at hotels, where there's like a little nice fold there, like a little tip, and it makes it look good. So let's go ahead and put our toilet paper in. And the only thing you have to do is, in order to put the little tip, hospitality tip, you just go to the right angle, do a 45-degree angle down, like this, fold, crease, and then do it down like this, kind of like origami, like that. And a little tip, you can get a little bit of tap water. I got from the sink, a little drip here, and you can put it on the end here. That will help make it stick a little bit. All right, push it down and then pull back up. And that's your little hospitality fold or a toilet paper tip point. All right, pretty simple to do. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.